Question 8. The scale drawing shows the positions of both A and both B. The scale is 1 centimeter, represents 0.5 kilometers. And they're saying part A, the actual distance between both A and B is what we are supposed to find. So what you do, you join these two and then you measure. Okay, then you measure, you get your ruler. If I get my ruler here, let's reduce it a little bit. In fact, let me just remove that, but in your exam, you put that line there. Now, if you check well, this is like 4.2. So those are the centimeters. Put me measure, but remember they said actual. So if it is actual, then we shall have to get that 4.2. Remember, 1 centimeter is 0.5. So AB we have seen is 4.2 centimeters. This one is going to be 4.2 times 0.5, and this one will give us 2.1 kilometers. Then part B, lighthouse L lies to the east of both A and B. Now on a compass diagram, east is is this way, this is the north, this is south, this is west. When they say it lies east of both A and B, and we can see maybe A is there, maybe B is here. So east is just this side. It doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be 90 degrees here, because it is not going to be the same 90. And yet they are supposed to meet. So it is just on the right of A and B. That's what it means. Okay. Now, having understood that, let's go back to this. They are saying that L is 44 kilometers from both A. So we need to convert those distances. So AL shall be equal to 4.4. Remember, each centimeter is equivalent to 0.5. So you need to convert this one to centimeters, because here on this diagram we are using centimeters. And this one will give us 8.8 centimeters. And then there is BL. So BL is going to be equivalent to 3.3 divided by 0.5, which is 6.6. They said using a ruler and compasses only. So what you can do here is, now since my compass here has gotten the measurements there, I'm not going to use the ruler. Okay, but you're supposed to get your compass. Okay, you stretch it on a ruler. So to measure, this is 8.8. So mine can just go to that 8.8. I think you can see that. That is for A. So I put it where A is. Then after that, I can draw an arc. I'll bring it here. Then I'll draw an arc, and you leave the construction arcs there. So that one like that. Then get your compass, put it here on B. Then we measure. BL is 6.6. Let me put also centimeters here. Okay, then we stretch it to reduce it to 6.6. I think you can see the 6.6 in the compass. Then I draw an arc. Then where these two arcs meet, that is where the lighthouse is. So you get now your ruler and then you connect. But mine, I can just pick here a line and then connect to this and also this to that. You see? This one here, I have to indicate that this is L, and L is 8.8 centimeters. I can either put it in kilometers or in centimeters. Okay, so we can put this one as 4.4 kilometers, and BL is 3.3 kilometers.